history. The Mekong River, or Nab Khoom, is one of the longest rivers in the world, flowing through Southeast Asia. It has sustained life for centuries, but for our people, it became much more than a river. During the Vietnam War and its aftermath, the Mekong was a path to freedom, a treacherous lifeline that carried hopes and fears, dreams and prayers. Crossing it was a test of unimaginable courage. For many, it was a savior. For others, it became a final resting place. This song, written by our talented Hmong artist and songwriter Disu, is a tribute to the sacrifices and bravery of those who made that journey. It reminds us to honor the countless lives lost and the strength of those who survived. To our elders who endured and paved the way, and to our ancestors who dreamed of freedom for future generations, we say thank you. Now as you listen to Tsaug Nab Khoom, or Thank You Mekong River, beautifully danced by our young girls Lai La Lu, roughly translated shimmering movement, let their grace remind you of the river's currents, the pain, hope, and resilience that carried us to where we are today. Let this performance inspire gratitude for the sacrifices of the past and empower you to carry this legacy forward with strength and pride. Thank you.
Thiên 天气。